This video explains to everyone that after upgrading the RadioLink RC8X remote controller firmware, the 8 channels are expanded to 16 channels with a practical usage simulation. Friendly reminder, this feature can only be used after upgrading to the latest v1.3.5 firmware. For the complete firmware upgrade tutorial, you can visit the RadioLink official website. After upgrading the RC8X to the new v1.3.5 firmware, it can be used with the RadioLink R16F receiver, successfully extending the channel limit to 16 channels. Next, we use standard PWM simulated servos and randomly connect them to the receiver channels 9 to 16 for functional simulation testing and verification. First, in the receiver settings, change the communication protocol to FHSS v2.1. Then power the R16F receiver. After successful frequency binding, take out the receiver and PWM simulated servos and randomly connect the servos to channels 9 to 16. In the remote controller settings, find the channel options and click to enter. You can see touch channels for channels 9 to 16, with the touch corresponding to the receiver channel switches. You can see that the external receiver can respond accurately and sensitively, and the movements are smooth and normal, indicating that the signal output of this channel is stable and normal. Thank you for watching.